Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So this is a continuation of our Ghanaian versus Nigeria. I don't know why I'm putting Ghanaian first. It's the Nigerian versus Ghanaian story time. So I hope you enjoyed our last episode. This is the continuation. Watch to the end. You don't want to miss how I presented. Okay?
Never, I will not eat. But because so that they say when you go to Ghanaians, act like when you go to Egypt, act like Egyptian.
Go to Rome.
So when I
the Ghanaian food that you were telling them, you came to tell me, I've come to the event. Why are they not serving me? Because I see that jollof is looking so delicious.
Father is a liar.
And I'll just say,
this guy is the liar.
So I want to visit her, please, she's Nigerian. And I'll say it in tree, please, I beg, give her something for me. And they will give
this
me.
Guy is a liar.
You open your legs wide. And you see on it.
This guy is a liar.
Ghanaian food. One of these days, if it's not that you post this video, maybe I would have recorded her eating Ghanaian food. So why did Stephanie come and lie to us?
Do you know the problem is that that's the reason that you will know that that's actually the evidence that I can actually be the one to say if Nigerian food is better than Nigerian. Because the problem with Ghanaians, they will never taste your food. They are always like, when you ask them to, when you ask them to eat, they'll be like, oh no, thank you, I don't want to, I'm okay, I don't eat Nigerian.
No, wait.
But then they want to
I don't want to eat rubbish.
She's mad. They will just say no to eating. Most of them, at least this one.
The reason why Nigerians.
So now, how can you even be a...
The reason why Nigerians have confidence to eat Ghanaian food is they know it's good. You want to just be doing
No.
As me, I don't trust the Nigerian food.
We are trying
I don't want to taste it. Because once it enters my mouth and it's not good, I have to throw it away. Maybe I'm in the midst of people. I cannot be doing that around. So I will not even eat.
The thing is that we are very confident to offer you our food because we know that we have the confidence that this is well made. This is like the best you would ever eat. That's why we are giving you our food.
Let me tell you one thing.
Ghanaians we would want to eat Ghanaian food so that we don't make them feel bad, and then they are scared of eating our food so that they cannot actually say, oh, this food is actually better than my mother's food. Don't worry, you always have me to cook Nigerian food for you. That's it. Nigeria is just one.
I took her.
Keep winning.
I took her to in the summer we went to one beach.
Yeah.
Beach events like that. One of my friends.
But that guy's food was good.
Oh yeah, look straight into their eyes and tell them the truth. Because
that guy's food
was funny. She didn't even know
that guy's food was good. I'm not gonna lie about it. But that doesn't generalize all Ghanaians food.
She has told you people.
I'm actually the only one that can answer this question because I've been eating Nigerians and I've ate Ghanaian food.
You remember last year?
You remember
last year we went to New Jersey? Me, you, and your sister. That picture is even on our Instagrams.
You are going to eating party food doesn't mean that when you come to Nigerian home you should eat the Nigerian food, the one prepared from home, so you can say the difference between. You never go eat party food and you use party food to say Nigerians don't know how to cook. No.
Let me tell you about the beach. When we went to the beach,
she
and her sister, because I always carry them around.
That food was fooding. It was good.
It's always a Ghanaian and Nigerian affair. Any day, it's me and them. Those are me and Nigerians, 5 and 6. We went to the beach. I said, why is you and your sister's skin not glowing? So I told Eva, did you do the gizzard and the jollof? She was like, yeah. So don't you remember I told you this? I was like, after you eat this food, you will see that you become finer.
That food was just like the pepper was just good in that food. There is nothing else. The pepper was peppering it.
See her.
The pepper was
that you were chewing.
The pepper was peppering it very well. There's nothing good about it. It was good. Let me not say it's not good, but the pepper was.
After she finished eating the food, I saw some changes. A week later, I saw her. I'm like, I'm on a jump fast. She's like, you're glowing.
This guy is mad.
You're looking fine. This baby is looking fine. Is it because of the Ghanaian food you ate? She's like, yes, so I don't want anybody to hear me say. I didn't want my elder sister to know. But that elder sister too, she is glowing because she ate the food song. And I told them that they will glow when they eat the Ghanaian jollof. Because the Ghanaian jollof, me, I'm a fufu fan. my favorite food is fufu. I don't even like jollof.
Ghanaians, I think the fufu is the worst.
I don't even like jollof.
I think the fufu is the worst in Ghana. Very bad.
But when they ate it, you know that.
No, their rice is good, but I don't understand how you guys make fufu with that soup and it's like
the lice soup.
And it's looking like the only soup Ghanaian has.
No, we have chicken soup. Yeah, it's lice soup, but we have different ones. We have the green soup and we have ebunabunu.
Yeah.
The ebunabunu. Say ebunabunu, let me hear you. Say ebunabunu. The one that when you are sick, you have fever when you eat.
But Igbo soup is always light.
Which one is always? So you think that one that you have been eating, say fufu and egu.
Fufu and egusi. Yeah.
Oh Lord, save me.
And now you have a lot of soup, but what can you put?
Wait, which soup?
We have Olubo soup, we have Banga, we have Oha, we have Achi, we have
names that when you hear in your ears, they can send it to your early grade. These are the
names that you will hear and you want to really taste and know what it means.
Banga.
That's like literally the best.
Names that you hear,
this guy is mad. There is no need. But the one thing that remains is that
to collapse.
She cannot
see some names. No, let me mention some names of Ghanaian soup. We have chicken lice soup.
I think I've eaten chicken before.
The lice soup.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think it's that one that
went to that party. This girl says she wants jollof rice. Okay, I mean, anytime I go to party, give me my fufu. Let me chop my one corner. Let me do my one corner. Let me do it well.
That one was this girl saying like
move from
I don't
jollof.
even know.
She moved from jollof. When she tasted the fufu, I'm like, is it good? She was like, yeah, it's good. Now this girl is eating her jollof. I'm eating why are you looking into my fufu? I'm eating my fufu.
I have to tell it because every time she's always eating fufu and I'll have to know that I wanted to know if it's good, if it's worth.
I've been telling you to come. Let me make fufu for you. Make it the Ghanaian way. Make it with love. Make my fufu. I make my fufu with a lot. If you know me, you know that fufu. I would turn it around like if you come and see me making fufu. It's fun seeing me make fufu. I should have made a channel about fufu. All day, all day.
Because that's the only thing she eats.
Anyways. That's my favorite food. That's all I eat. So why would I come to your house and you give me something that you have done? And say it's egusi. Why are you confused?
My problem is
soup and you call soup stew.
Like that's one thing about Ghanaian. You are so weird. Like what is it? Like most of the things that we have as soup, you people have it as stew. And it's like
because it is.
How is it working out for you guys?
Let's even take the Chinese food. You see the noodles when they say it's soup, it's watery. I don't know how the Nigerians manage to get egusi.
How will egusi be stew?
Take it like this.
Egusi sometimes is stew, but Ghanaians, the fact that people don't eat it with fufu is like
no egusi. We make it the stew way because it's stew. That thing that people have been putting that fufu and dipping is a swallow. We swallow. We swallow it.
See, this girl is Ghanaians have lost it. This one in particular, not Ghanaians. I have Ghanaians that have not lost it.
She they fear driving.
I have Ghanaians that have not lost it. This one, I've lost it for you guys. I've lost it.
We are the ones who speak the truth.
This one I've lost it, so there's no truth in this one. But
Nigerians, you are confused.
We are accommodating with
like those people. They are very wicked. That Lagos, they are very wicked. In Ghana, see how many Nigerians are in Ghana? A lot. We have left them like that. They are Nigerians.
It doesn't end the fact that we are accommodating.
We are
more than Nigerians, more than Ghanaians.
We have the Aquaba. We welcome everybody to Ghana. Like December in Ghana, like come to Ghana.
That's like Nigerians. I think during December, Ghanaians mostly go to Nigeria. Like they go to Nigeria. They go to.
Why? What
they go to mostly
out of your mouth.
In Christmas. Ghanaians go mostly to Nigeria. Because Lagos is always popping and
Accra is not. And Accra is like Lagos City.
Lagos is always popping. Abuja is always popping.
Abuja.
So
I don't want to hear those names.
Port Harcourt is always popping. Even I know that this one has been begging me to take him to Nigeria. Take her to Nigeria. I will take you to Nigeria.
Names of cities. Port Harcourt, Abuja, Lagos.
So
I had one co-worker. She used to call Lagos Lagos. I said, don't let Nigerian hear you say that, they will kill you.
that person must be Ghanaian.
No, she said her dad was Nigerian, and her mom was
Ghanaian.
No, which Ghanaian? I said my co-worker. Do I work with Ghanaians?
Do I know? It's only Ghanaians that know how to.
Her Nigerians. She said, I'm from Lagos. Don't let them hear you say that I told them. Because those Nigerians like to they drag. They don't get anything, but they like to they drag. Come and learn. You like this.
Anyways.
Since you started working with me, see.
Second working with you.
You're grown in wisdom.
She's so
this
guy is mad.
You are glowing. Anytime you are with me, see those girls. See how they are lovely. It's because of my see me.
I cannot believe this girl. I cannot believe it. I'm actually the only friend that she had. But anyways, so maybe you should start making more Ghanaian friends, so I will know the difference.
She's the only Nigerian I know. She and her sister, two idiots. In your world, that will be 3 idiots. Yeah, you are the third one. No, I'm not going to join you because I know they do.
It's 3. Okay.
Let me ask you one question on your own channel. Why is it that you say you have a lot of Ghanaian friends, but it's only me? You and your sister want to come and kill me. Why?
I have a lot of Ghanaian friends.
Why is that only me? Only me. You dey follow around. You dey call me.
Because
she dey
because she don't sleep. Because she don't sleep. I think
me, I don't sleep. It's me and you.
She don't sleep. What will I call you 2 a.m. and you pick up?
Did I say I picked up?
No.
When I woke up, she had called me.
She picks. So why will you pick up?
I pick your calls when I'm doing overnight.
Why will you even be messaging me by 2 a.m., by 3 a.m., messaging me by 4 a.m.? Like you don't sleep. Don't you sleep?
Because I'm a hustler.
Because you're a hustler. So
because I am a hustler.
I'm hustling too.
You see? If you're hustling, will you be asleep at 4 a.m.? Why you can't do the hustlers?
Stand up.
We are getting something. By the time you wake up, we are done.
Leave this one. This one is just a disturbance in my life. But anyways,
but you two they follow me around. See you.
She's crazy.
Even the Bible said
she's crazy like that. Cut it off.
Why are you cutting this?
I'm about to cut her out. That's what I'm applying for. When I get a good sane Ghanaian person that will actually make me love Ghanaian, because this one is making me always talk.
Let me tell you, she will feature me again.
I'm
not a person, but I know somebody she's trying to cut off. She will feature me.
So again. I will make sure that I cut her off and get some Ghanaian sweetheart that will teach me good things about Ghanaians. It will make me love Ghanaian.
All the good things you taught you did not even learn. Come on, Etisay, you cannot even say.
Etisay, I know which one is. Etisay.
I'm asking you at the sign.
No, I'm the one that's asking you to say that.
Want me to tell you? Want me to tell you that? Come and tell me. Idiot.
You say even herself, she doesn't even know her country. Etisay.
I'm not going to tell you.
Etisay is like, how are you? Are you mad? I know you.
Oh, respond.
Etisay. No, I'm saying how are you?
I will not respond.
Etisay. Everybody Etisay. You know what? All my Ghanaian friends Etisay. I know that one. I know that one very well. That's the only thing this girl can teach me.
She's lying.
What's that?
See your face.
But anyways.
You need to zoom into your face. See your face. See your face. Aquaba, welcome. Have you been said it a couple of times?
Welcome.
When I know I ain't came.
Etisay, how are you? That's the only one you know.
That's
the only one you know. Which one is? Let somebody know here.
I don't know Igbo.
This one don't know anything.
Cake one.
Okay. She's taking it to another level.
See this girl. Me.
She's taking it to another level.
She knows that when I come here and she and her Robbie sister, and they have been listening.
Maybe when your brothers come by and I see you guys talk, maybe I can learn. But to them,
the one that you want to be taking home to your parents. Don't they follow the Ghanaian men? Let me tell you the truth. They'll come and kill me, but don't follow them. They know themselves.
So,
sons of Jezebel.
It's a wrap here, and we're even though she's like a thorn in my flesh, but because of her, I love Ghanaians.
You know what? I cannot say the same thing about her.
Because of her, I like Ghanaians. So it's all love. She's my Ghanaian lover.
Go and find love.
She's my Ghanaian lover.
And leave me alone, please.
So till next time, make sure you follow us on our social media platform that will be here, and then make sure you go subscribe to our.
Put my Instagram, put my Twitter, put my Snap. That's why I put my Snapchat first. Even before my Instagram. I love Snapchat. Because I'm going to be doing Talk to Miss Jackie segment on the Tea Tuesday with Jackie.
Wow.
So please put it under. So... let people come to me anonymously. Come and tell me some stories, you know. Like, used to do me tea.
So make sure that you follow us on our social media platform. Go and subscribe to
Tea Tuesday
with Jackie. You'll be seeing us. Yeah, you'll be seeing us.
Yeah, so
you'll be seeing us with a lot of
I don't know, every Tuesday is Bags Boast.
Yeah, so
I'm giving it to you for hot like the Nigerian ever.
Like the Nigerian ever. Okay, let's
that rubbish food.
Serving it hot.
That food.
Yeah. What are you waiting
for? You want to see more of this?
Yeah.
Yeah, subscribe. Because I'll be coming here a lot. Even if I'll come and take it. I'll record only me also. I'll not be roll with Stefan. The Ghanaian part, you know.
Yeah, okay.
Ghanaian babe on roll with Stefan. I'll give you good content.
Yeah.
We'll give you good content. Yeah, subscribe.
Please subscribe. If you don't subscribe, you don't
like, comment.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, say good things about me in the comment
section. Yes, so Ghanaian.
I know entertain you people well. I even have to use the Nigerian accent. I don't want to say the Ghanaian. So why is this girl coming to phone for us? Let me sit to my people now.
Okay.
Nigeria, we there now. Let me sit to Nigeria. Even though when I'm at work and somebody comes in and be like, I'm like, where are you from? And they'll be like, oh, let's say I'm from Ghana. I'll be like, I'm Nigerian. And they ask me where you from. I'm from Anambra State. I'm Nigerian now. I'm from Anambra State.
This girl is so much want to be from.
No. Yesterday I told one person she's like, I think he was. I don't know where he was from, but he was like, where are you from? You look Ghanaian. I'm like, oh, I'm Nigerian. He was like, oh, really? Which part of Nigeria? He was like, I'm lying. I'm lying. Straight.
You see how she wants to take Nigeria and Anambra as, you know, we are from Anambra, so why not?
Because I don't really start again. It's not Anambra that I'll be from. Where else?
You know Lagos, you know Abuja, but still you stuck with Anambra.
Why would I?
You know
who's from Lagos?
Lagos is Yoruba. Do I know?
People are from Lagos.
Yes, now.
Oh,
Lagos is some people's hometown.
I know people are from villages who come and hustle in Lagos.
No. People are from Lagos too.
People are really from Lagos and Abuja and Port Harcourt.
That's their village. Like every state is somebody's place. Yeah.
Nice. Me, I'm from Kumasi.
Yeah, Kumasi.
I will tell you a story on Tuesday about Kumasi. Or the next time I'll be on here.
Yeah.
Oh, a juicy story. You know, Ghana has a lot of stories. I don't know about the Nigerians, but you know, I don't say a lot to the Nigerians. I don't want to put you on the map like that. So you already know you from.
We're already in the map, so
say a lot.
We are already in the map.
you know the map. You know Nigerians are not known for the good things, but let me just keep quiet, you know.
Jesus, this guy is crazy.
Let me tell you guys about Ghanaian stories, good stories. You know how I'm from Kumasi, how the name even came about. You know, the next time.
Historian. Okay. So
you don't like this, right? History. One story.
Purchase your track
I'm
today.
telling this girl how Igbos this human being.
Jesus, you know what? This is the end of our episode. See you next time.